Hello everyone. Here we are on a Sunday morning. It is about 11:30 on a Sunday morning, the 10th of November 2019. We're flying around the Sheets project on Carlisle Street again this morning, and things sure have changed. Everything's all cleaned up, all the boxes are gone, trash is picked up. I haven't been out for 2 days, but somebody's been doing a lot of work the past couple of days. So looks like the opening might not be too far in the distant future. Looking pretty good. The link will be down in the comment section to go back and check the previous video out. And at the end of the video, you can see the flag blowing out of Perkins. There's a southwest breeze blowing today. Not much of a wind. Pretty nice day for drone flying. A little chilly. Temperatures in the high 40s, low 50s. But a pretty nice day all in all. Have a good day, everyone. We'll catch you later. Goodbye.